At the end of this session, you will be able to explain how a solar eclipse and a lunar eclipse occurs. What is an eclipse? An eclipse occurs when one object comes between the source of light and another object. For example, when the moon comes between the sun and the earth, it obstructs sunlight and a shadow of the moon is created on earth. There are two types of eclipses: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse. A solar eclipse can occur only when the moon passes between the sun and the earth on a new moon day, that is, when the dark side of the moon faces the earth. On a new moon day, the moon falls in a straight line between the sun and the earth and obstructs sunlight from reaching the earth. The region where the shadow of the moon falls experiences a solar eclipse. The moon's shadow also has an umbra and penumbra region. The umbra region experiences a total solar eclipse. The penumbra region, where view of the sun is partially obstructed, experiences a partial solar eclipse. Here, since the source of light is very large and the object is small, the umbra decreases in size as the moon moves away from the earth. Sometimes, the distance between the moon and the earth is so huge that only the tip of the umbra reaches the earth, or the moon's umbra does not reach the earth's surface. If the shadow does not reach the earth, the solar eclipse is not visible. If only the tip of the umbra reaches the earth, the person standing at that place can view only the outer rim of the sun, known as the corona. This is called an annular solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. If the sun, earth, and the moon come in a straight line on a full moon day, and the earth is positioned between the sun and the moon, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon, causing a lunar eclipse. As the moon revolves around the earth, it passes through various regions of this shadow. Let us understand the lunar eclipse through the following example. When the moon is in position A, the shadow of the earth covers the moon completely. This is when a total lunar eclipse is observed. If the moon is in position B, that is, partly in umbra and partly in the penumbra, a partial lunar eclipse is observed. When it reaches the penumbra region, that is, position C, there is no eclipse, but the moon appears dull because it does not receive the complete sunlight. Why eclipses do not occur on every new moon or full moon day? A lunar eclipse does not occur on every full moon day, nor does a solar eclipse occur on every new moon day. This is because Moon's orbit is inclined to Earth's orbit by about 5 degrees. Therefore, the sun, earth, and the moon do not lie in a straight line on every new moon or full moon day.